Turn your old, slow laptop into a fast Chromebook-style machine in just a few minutes. Today, step by step, you'll see how to install Chrome OS-like software, keep your files safe, and give your laptop a second life. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform an old Windows or Mac laptop into a Chromebook-style device that's perfect for browsing, YouTube, schoolwork, or light office tasks. Before we start, quick note, this process will erase everything on the laptop we're installing to, so make sure you've backed up your important files. What you'll need. First, here's what you need before we start. An old laptop you want to convert, a second computer to create the USB installer, a USB drive with at least 8 or 16 gigabytes of space, a stable internet connection. We'll download a free Chrome OS-like system and put it on the USB, then install it on the old laptop. Backup and prepare. Step 1. Backup. On your old laptop, copy any important documents, photos, or files to an external hard drive, a USB stick, or a cloud service like Google Drive or OneDrive. Once you're sure everything is backed up, keep that laptop nearby but turned off. We'll come back to it after creating the installer. Downloading the Chrome OS-like system. Now go to your second computer, open your browser, and search for a Chrome OS-like operating system such as Chrome OS Flex Download or another Chromium-based system you prefer. Or maybe it's a good time to try Linux for once. Zorin OS is great for old laptops. Download the installer file or follow the official instructions to create a USB installer. Follow the prompts from the tool or website to select your USB drive and write the image to it. This usually takes a few minutes, so don't remove the USB drive during this process. Booting the old laptop from USB. Once the installer is ready, remove the USB from the second computer and plug it into your old laptop. Now we need to tell the old laptop to boot from the USB. Turn the laptop on and immediately press the boot menu key. Common keys are F2, F12, Escape, or Del. You should see a small message on the screen like, press F2 for setup, or press F12 for boot menu. In the boot menu, select your USB drive as the device to boot from. If you don't get it on the first try, just restart and try a different key until the boot menu appears. Trying it first. Optional. After a few moments, you should see the Chrome OS-style installer screen. Most of these systems let you try it first without installing. If you see that option, you can test Wi-Fi, open the browser, check if trackpad and keyboard work before committing. If everything feels smooth and you're happy, continue to the full install. Installing on the laptop. When you're ready, click the option to install it permanently to your hard drive or SSD. You'll usually be asked to choose the internal drive to erase. Confirm that you understand all data will be deleted. Once you confirm, the installer will copy all the files and set everything up. This can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes depending on your hardware. When it finishes, you'll be prompted to remove the USB drive and restart the laptop. Do that now. First boot and setup. On the first boot, you'll see a welcome screen. Here you'll pick your language and keyboard layout, connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Google account so you can sync bookmarks, extensions, Google Docs, and more. After setup, you'll land on a desktop that looks and feels very close to a real Chromebook. There's a Chrome browser, an app launcher, and quick settings in the corner. Showing performance in real-world use. Now let's see what this new Chromebook can actually do. On screen, I'll open a few tabs, YouTube, Gmail, Google Docs. Play a 1080p YouTube video so you can see how smooth it is. Type in a doc and switch between tabs. Notice how much faster and more responsive this feels compared to the old Windows or Mac OS install that was on this machine before. For simple tasks, this is more than enough. Extra tips and limitations. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. This setup is best for web-based work, browsing, email, Google Docs, YouTube, and light web apps. Heavier tasks like AAA gaming or advanced video editing are still better on Windows, Mac OS, or a full Linux distribution. Make sure your laptop stays plugged in during installation to avoid interruptions. If something doesn't work, like Wi-Fi or sound, check the official help pages or community forums for your specific Chrome OS-like system and laptop model. And that's how you turn an old, slow laptop into a fast Chromebook-style machine that's perfect for everyday use. If this video helped you, let me know what laptop you converted in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple tech upgrades, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.